Is there a bigger tech geek on the planet than this guy right here? I think not. Huge tech geek right here. I might be a little bit more known for my security background and protecting people, but tech is my thing. I'm going to start a new series on the channel, and I'm about to introduce it to you. Here we go. George Langabeer here, owner of SilverHammer Surveillance. As I said at the beginning of the video, huge tech geek right here. Not only am I a security guy, which I'm probably most known for, I love to protect people. I love to protect homes, families, business owners. All of that, I really do. It's my passion. I love it. But also a huge tech geek. Another big passion of mine. So what I realize, in dealing with our customers, a lot of people don't realize that not only do we sell security devices, every security device you could possibly think of, but we also sell every smart home gadget, every smart device you can think of. Every tech device you can think of has been through my hands. I've tested it. I've tried it at home. I've tried it here at SilverHammer. If it's great and I think it's wonderful, I'll pass it on to my customers. If I don't, I'll let it go into the ether. But I try all this stuff. Every cool gadget that comes out, I guarantee you I've tried it. So we're starting this series on the channel called Tech Talk with Mr. SilverHammer. I find that a big thing with my customers is when they come in here for a security device or a smart home device, they come in here for one thing and then they learn about something else. They see another device in here and they're just mind blown that it even exists. So with this channel, that's kind of what I want to concentrate on, is kind of the basics. Yeah, we'll do some unboxings and we'll do reviews like everybody else does. But I think a big thing for me is that just seeing these people come in here, not everybody is tech savvy like me. Not everybody is a tech geek like me. And so some people kind of want to be one and they don't even realize it. They come in here, they buy one thing, and next thing you know, they're addicted. So I just want to cover the basics. I just want to share some of the things that I'm trying. I want to show it to you in action as I have it here. Again, we'll do some unboxings, we'll do some reviews of it, but I just kind of want to let people know this stuff exists. I try everything and I want to share it with you. So I hope this is the channel you come to kind of learn about this stuff. If you like this video and you like the channel, please hit subscribe in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Please come back for the next one. We're going to be talking tech, we're going to be talking security, we're going to be talking crazy shoplifter stories, various series on the channel. So I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, peace and love.